Hello guys. As we discussed from the previous meeting, in previous session, I'm supposed to present my strategy. My strategy is quite simple. It's advanced supply and demand. I think everybody is aware of demand and supply. It's very famous, and people think like it's 59% winning rate, but it's not true because people are not having the important information about the demand and supply. That's why they're saying that. But I'm going to show you how we can do it and being profitable because I've backtested it and I'm using it and I have passed like three accounts from Profirm with it and I have my personal account. So I think after this session everybody will be like profitable and can trade on their own, right? So I'm sorry for my mic. I think my mic is producing some noise. I think something is not right. Anyway, I hope you can hear me clearly. Okay, as we all know that we have three type of markets. We have uptrend market, right? We have downtrend market, and we have range market, which is most consolidation. I don't trade this kind of market because I think it's suitable for scalpers. I'm an intraday trader, so sometimes I swing. Yeah. Okay, so as we all know that in demand and supply, demand always are found at the bottom and supply at the top. So the last candle to be liquidated by price, let's say this is a bullish candle, let's say this is uptrend, right? Right, and this is the last bullish candle, and then we have a bearish candle, right? So this one is our supply zone, right? I think it's very basic. And demand, let's say this is the last bearish candle and this is the bullish candle. So this is our zone of demand, right? But we will find these zones. We will find a lot of these zones, but which zone will hold our trade is something that I'm going to tell you in because everyone think like if they see here, they mark it, they waiting for a price to get here so that they can buy, but not all of them are quality demand or supply. So I'm going to teach you which one are the good supply that will hold, not 100% because I'm not a market maker, but have a high probability. We anticipate that when the price reach that point of point or a zone of supply or demand will hold. Alright. So first of all, let's go to the chart and I will show you demand or supply. You can see this is Bitcoin USD by the way. We have this that is the supply and we have here a demand, right? We have right here a demand. Okay, so which demand qualify in our strategy? The good demand must have an impulse, a very big candle. You can see we had a bullish candle and then a big bearish candle. This one is a good supply. So I can give like 80% that the price will reverse at this point. Okay, so the kind of demand that we want, they must be like this. It's big impulse move. Big impulse move. That's our kind of demand or supply that we are looking at. You can see this one, right? This one. You see the market is reversing at these zones. You can see because we had this. Why it didn't? Because first of all we had the news, so this is not a good supply or demand. We had the news, so you can see the week. This one is not good. So you can see we had This demand is good. You can see the impulse move. This one you can see the move is not that big, but not so bad. You can see because we are not trading what we think, we are trading what we see the market. So you can mark your demand or supply and then you wait for a price to come at your zone and then you will look for confluences and then you can take it if it's a buy or sell. So it's just like that. And if I'm not very clear about demand and supply, you can see you can go to the YouTube short C explain it very well. Okay. Yeah. So um after that my strategy is very mechanical. You have to follow some principles, and one of the principles is directional bias. You have to follow directional bias. If you are doing analysis starting from 4 hour or 1 hour, there is certain time frames that you're supposed to use. You're not supposed to go 4 hour, 3 hour to 1 hour, one or wherever. You have principles. So if you're using 4 hour, you have to go to 30 minutes and then your entry will be in 5 minutes. And if you are starting your analysis from 1 hour, your situational time frame will be 15 and then your entry will be 3 or any other lower time frame, right? So that's our first principle that we take when we go to directional bias. 4 hour and 1 hour is our coordinated time frame, right? So I'm intraday trader, so I use 4 hour and 1 hour and the time frame below. But I will try to arrange for a next session for a swinger if someone wants to swing. And this intraday trader, it's not like you are getting like 40 or 50 pips. Sometimes you get up to 200 pips. So it's very good strategy. So if you want men to swing, I can show you. You can start from monthly or weekly. But for now, I just want to use 4 hour and 1 hour. It's quite profitable because monthly and daily you wait for some time till the price reach your zones, right? So that is for the phase one. I mean that is for our phase one. So we are going to the second video, where the second video will see what do we look in our demand and supply so we can take an entry, right? So there are 4 things, right, that I'm looking before taking an entry. Okay, I will explain clearly on the next video, right?